This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by readying both devices so pairing is smooth. Update the controller firmware first if possible. That prevents connection bugs. Then charge the controller above half and press the Xbox button to power it on. On your tablet, go straight to Settings, then Bluetooth, and turn it on, making the tablet discoverable. Once done, press and hold the controller's pair button until the Xbox light flashes rapidly. This tells you the controller is actively searching and ready to pair. Now focus on pairing and making the controller behave correctly. In Bluetooth devices on the tablet, tap the entry labeled Xbox Wireless Controller as it appears. Accept any prompt to pair. After pairing, test basic inputs in a controller test app or a simple game to confirm buttons and sticks respond. If an axis feels off, open your game or the tablet's controller settings to tweak sensitivity, dead zone, or remap buttons so the controller fits your play style and prevents drift or misfires. Finish by optimizing for stability and knowing quick fixes. If you notice input lag or disconnects, switch to a USB-C wired connection. That removes wireless latency and charges simultaneously. If Bluetooth misbehaves, restart both devices, forget the controller on the tablet, and repair. This often clears pairing conflicts. Make sure the tablet OS, game app, and controller firmware are up to date, because compatibility updates resolve many issues. If problems persist, test another app to isolate whether hardware or software is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.